what I like to do is add a hull kick. It's really easy to make one yourself with, for example, the kick 2. I will just make a new channel for that. A new group, I mean. Yeah, hull kick. It's really cool to actually make one yourself with this plugin. Okay. Just want this to fade it out a little bit more. And with the Valhalla room you can create a really nice hull kick. Especially if you put a compressor on there, it'll be sound really. Set this up a little bit better. Where is it? There it is. That's nice. Easy peasy. You can also, you know, work a little bit more with the pitch. Just to your needs, you know, whatever you like. Add a little bit more low frequency. There we go. Let's put it down. We only need like one little note over here. Nice.